Hey, Damian Milner here, IT Administrator for Future Problem Solving. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing with you how to log in as a coach and view your team and student information. All right, so first thing you want to do is go to FPSOnline.org. When you get here, you can log in a number of ways. You can either click this link in the top, link in the bottom, or right here in the middle. If you click in the middle, you want to make sure you select Coach from the drop-down list there. All right. And then you want to go ahead and enter in your credentials. These were probably given to you by the competition administrator. All right. So once you first log in here, this is your landing. And over here on the left-hand side is your menu. And so if you go to Teams, I have quite a few here because this is a test account, but this will give you a list of all the teams that you're assigned to. It gives their division here. It gives their team code here, and it gives their coach, which is you here. This chat feature usually should be checked for everybody. This gives them the ability to chat with one another while they're working on their books and such. If you scroll down to the very bottom, and before I move on, there are some sort features up here in case you wanted to sort the list if you had a long list like mine. If you scroll down to the bottom down here, you'll be able to see some options to export this list in case you needed it for any particular reason. Usually this list doesn't get very long for coaches because you have just a few teams there. So, but you can select all, you can deselect all, you can print it, or you can export it. All right, so that's going to be under the team section. Now, in order to view your student information, I'm going to go ahead and click on the left-hand menu here for students. All right, so once you've clicked the menu on the left for students, you're going to see this menu here with all of your student information. You'll get their division, you'll get their username, password, the actual student's name, their team code. I have the password section blurred out just for security right now. However, that will be plain text for you. So you will be able to share that information with your students if they have forgotten that information or maybe updated that information and didn't know what they updated it to. So you will be able to click and see that. And then just like on the previous menu and our menu item for teams, you can select all here. You can deselect. You can select to print or delete, and then you can print the table. Over here on the right, you could export this to a CSV file if you had a long list. And then right in here, if you did need to delete the student for some reason, you could click on this red circle here, this X, and that would delete the student. Although I don't suggest doing that. Usually the competition administrator creates these student accounts for you. And so you just want to make sure that everything's run through them before you delete anything, especially before competition time. So that's how you view teams and student information. So thank you for your time. Please stick around, watch some other videos about FPSOnline, and hope you have a great and positive day.